Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to know about the key differences between the IELTS academic modules versus IELTS journal module. So, I'm pretty sure after watching this video, you will be able to make your decision that which exam you should go for, whether academic or journal based on your preferences. So, let's move forward. So, first we will move to the introduction part. So in IELTS, we have two modules, that is journal and academic. So now we are going to cover both the modules one by one and highlight what are the key differences between each of them. So first, let's talk about the test format. So the general IELTS is designed for the individuals who want to migrate to foreign abroad countries such as Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand for the work-related purposes or for getting the PR. Whereas, on the other hand, academic IELTS is for those who want to pursue higher education such as master, doctorate or bachelor's program in English-speaking countries such as Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. So, it's basically for the students. So, now let's talk about academic module first. So, in academic module, there are 4 sections: reading, writing, listening and speaking. So, let's move towards academic reading. So, in academic reading, you will get 3 passages. That is passage 1, 2 and 3. And there will be different type of questions. And the maximum time allowed for academic reading is 60 minutes. So, 60 minutes, you have to complete 3 passages and you have to transfer the answer on your answer sheet. So these passages are taken from the journals, magazine, newspaper, as well as books. So prepare yourselves accordingly. Now let's move towards the general reading. So in general reading module, general reading is quite different from academic one. In general reading, you will get 4 to 5 passages and the passages are quite short in length as well as little bit easy as compared to the academic reading. So in general reading, you get the passages from the articles, newspaper, blogs or letters, highlighting the different issues. It could be any social issue relating to the environment or any other issues. So now let's move toward the scoring criteria for both the IELTS journal reading as well as academic reading. So in IELTS academic reading, here you can see on this slide are the band descriptors. You can see here, if you want to score 9 band, you have to have 39 or 40 correct answers. Means all the answers should be correct if you want to go for the 9 band. Then similarly, you can see for the 8.5, 8, 7.5, 7. And similarly, you can see for the journal. As journal reading is quite bit easier than academic one, so you can see that you have to score maximum points, that is 40 to score 9 band, at 39 for 8.5. The rest you can see it on your own by pausing the video. So now let's move toward the academic writing. So in academic writing, you will get 2 tasks. That is task 1 and task 2, which is same in the general writing also. But the key difference between academic writing and general writing is the task 1. So in academic writing, you will get task 1, which could be bar graph, line chart, pie chart, table or map. But in general writing, you will get a letter which would be concerning about the everyday situation or issues that you will encounter while living in English-speaking environment or countries. So, for example, here you can see a letter to accommodation officers, your employer or a friend, it is recommended to spend 20 minutes on it. So, you can see this example. Task 2 is an essay which is same in both the modules, that is academic as well as general. So in task 2, you have to write an essay which could be on common topics such as family, society, TV, school, communication, etc. You have to write this essay in 250 words and should spend about 40 minutes on this essay. Here you can see an example that some people believe that teaching children at home is best for a child's development, while others think that it's important for children to go to school. So in this essay, you have to discuss the advantages of both methods and give your own opinion. Means you have to discuss the advantages of both methods, and after that you will have to give your own personal opinion what you think about this. So now let's move forward to the listening and speaking. The listening and speaking section is both same in both the modules. Means in both modules you will have the same listening as well as speaking. So there is no differences in the listening as well as speaking section. In listening section you will have 4 sections divided in 4 parts with each containing 10 questions. Whereas in speaking you will have 3 parts. That is, first will be the general question, after that cue card, and after that there will be some follow-up questions which your examiner would ask. So from a test taker perspective, it's your personal opinion based on your preferences that which exam you should go for, whether journal or academic. So if you are planning to move abroad for the academic purpose or study purpose, that you want to do your bachelor's or pursue higher education, then you should go for the academic IELTS. Whereas if you are moving abroad for work related purposes, then you should go for general IELTS. So you should prepare yourself according to that. You should have proper preparation and do proper mock tests and use all the relevant resources which are available on the internet for free to prepare yourself for both the exams. So there are various sites, websites and sources from which you can prepare yourself. Like firstly is the IDP official site, then there is IELTS.org, and some other sites are also there. So at last I would say make your decision based on your preferences and start preparing yourself towards it and begin your preparation today. So thanks for watching. I hope now that you are able to make your decision based on your requirements and choice and preferences. And if you like this video, then share it with your friends who are preparing for the IELTS exam. And like this video and subscribe to channel Ashish Bardwaj.